How do satellites measure storm wind speeds? Have you ever wondered how meteorologists and storm chasers get accurate wind speed readings during severe weather? It all comes down to the amazing technology of satellites. These devices orbit the Earth and play a key role in storm tracking. Let's break down how they measure wind speeds during storms. First, satellites track clouds using visible and infrared channels. By observing how clouds move over time, they can calculate wind speed and direction. This method is especially helpful for understanding large weather patterns. Next, there are advancements in tracking water vapor movement. Geostationary satellites use special algorithms to monitor how water vapor shifts at different altitudes. This helps in determining wind speed and direction as well. Another important tool is the scatterometer. This instrument sends radar pulses towards the ocean and measures the signals that bounce back. The roughness of the sea surface changes with wind conditions, allowing scatterometers to accurately measure wind speed and direction. Some satellites also use stereographic imagery. This technique captures cloud features in 3 dimensions. It provides precise measurements of wind speed and direction, including vertical winds, which are essential for understanding storm dynamics. Lastly, there is an innovative method using global positioning system signals. When these signals reflected off the ocean's surface, their distortion due to wind-induced wave roughness can be analyzed to estimate wind speeds. This method is a cost-effective alternative to traditional techniques. All these satellite-based methods give vital data for storm forecasting. Storm chasers and meteorologists relying on this information to predict storm paths and intensities accurately. This is not only important for their work but also for public safety. In high-risk professions like storm chasing, having accurate wind speed measurements can make a significant difference. It helps these brave individuals gather data on severe weather while keeping themselves safe. So next time you hear about a storm, remember the incredible technology behind the scenes that helps track those winds.